Hey, special ones, how are you? I just admire the way I'm growing the tomatillo plant, how I support it in these grow bags, how they're not sprawling all over the place. This is just one plant. Could you guys believe it? I planted 3 of them and only one survived. So 2 weeks ago I sowed this seed and another one, and a few days ago I noticed that something is eating the leaves, so I had to cover it with this netting to give it a chance to get bigger, which is really annoying, because the thing about the tomatillo plant, it won't produce fruits on its own. You need to have at least 2 to 3 plants before you even get any fruits on it. So I'm hoping that this little guy will start to grow faster. I think next time if I plant, not think I will, next time if I plant the tomato plant, I'm gonna plant more than 3 of, I'm gonna sow more than 3 seeds of them, because you just never know if they're going to die and stuff like that. And I also love the way how I'm growing the cucumber plants. They're like, I don't know how many plants I put in here. I was running out of space and I got these plants on sale at near the end of garden season, and I say it was a good price. They're a lot more smaller than this, and now they're exploding with growth. I think I'm gonna love this way of growing it in containers. For some reason, most of the time I struggle growing cucumbers, especially in containers, but they grow a little bit better in the ground for me. So I learned a thing of 1 or 2 about growing cucumbers. They don't like it when you water them with cold water, so I try to just water it with lukewarm water, room temperature water, if I have to water it from the top. And they seem to growing healthy so far, which I'm pleased. You notice how I'm using the tomato cage. I'm using this garden twist. I'm hoping to train them to go upwards with the tentacles. Once they keep going upwards, I train them maybe to go that direction, whichever direction. Maybe I even train some to sprout, so all over on the deck. I don't know I'm gonna do it, but I just love cucumbers, and it's a nice snack that I like to eat by itself. So I'm really hoping that I will get a good harvest of them. Oh, the mosquitoes starting to come out, so I talk to you guys later, maybe tomorrow.